Imagine standing at a crossroads where two completely different roads lead to unimaginable wealth. On one side, coins powered by artificial intelligence promise to revolutionize entire industries with data-driven precision. On the other, meme coins rise from internet jokes, powered not by algorithms but by pure culture, community, and the unpredictable force of online virality. Both have made millionaires overnight. Both have also wiped out fortunes just as fast. And the big question is this: which one will explode in the next bull run? To understand the battle between AI coins and meme coins, we need to rewind and see how we got here. Bitcoin was once dismissed as a nerd's toy, yet it paved the way for thousands of digital assets. Ethereum followed, showing the world that blockchain could be more than just money. It could be a platform for applications. That was the first revolution. Then came new waves, decentralized finance, NFTs, and the rise of meme coins like Dogecoin, which began as a joke in 2013, but became a cultural icon a decade later. Meanwhile, AI coins entered the spotlight more recently, riding the explosive growth of artificial intelligence itself. When ChatGPT and other AI platforms captured the world's attention, projects like Fetch.AI, Singularity Net, and Ocean Protocol gained momentum. These weren't memes or jokes. They were tools promising to connect blockchains with machine learning, data marketplaces, and automation. For some investors, that represented real value compared to the wild unpredictability of meme tokens. But here's the twist. Markets don't always reward fundamentals. Take Dogecoin again. Elon Musk tweets a single word about it, and billions of dollars suddenly flow into the market. No white paper update, no new technology, just a meme amplified by culture. Compare that with Singularity Net, founded by Dr. Ben Goertzel, a serious project aiming to create a decentralized AI marketplace. Years of development, real partnerships, yet far less mainstream excitement. It shows us that in crypto, attention often outweighs innovation. The historical context makes this even more fascinating. Every bull run has had its unique stars. In 2017, it was ICOs, initial coin offerings. In 2021, it was NFTs and meme coins. Could 2025 or 2026 be the era of AI-powered tokens? Or will memes prove once again that laughter, culture, and community beat spreadsheets and machine learning? Investors are left torn between logic and emotion. Do you choose coins that might fuel the future of robotics, big data, and automation? Or do you ride the hype train of internet culture, hoping to catch lightning in a bottle? Both choices feel like high-stakes poker games, and that's what makes this topic so electrifying. If this comparison is interesting, hit that like button. It helps us know you want more deep dives into the most intriguing battles shaping the crypto world. Here's the truth. AI coins may seem like the rational bet. Meme coins, however, remind us that irrationality often rules the market. A token with no technical foundation can outperform a project backed by years of research simply because people believe in it or laugh with it. The question becomes, is belief itself a form of value? As we peel back more layers, the contrast between these two categories gets sharper. One builds infrastructure for the future, the other thrives on chaos. But chaos is profitable, sometimes more than order. And that thought alone should make you pause before deciding which path you take at the crypto crossroads. Let's break down the real strengths and weaknesses of both sides. On paper, AI coins carry undeniable weight. Projects like Fetch. AI focus on creating decentralized digital economies where AI agents can trade data and services without intermediaries. Ocean Protocol envisions massive marketplaces where companies and individuals can buy and sell data securely. Singularity Net pushes even further, building networks of artificial intelligence services that could someday rival centralized tech giants. The strength here lies in fundamentals. Partnerships with real businesses, research institutions, and long-term goals that align with global megatrends like automation and robotics. But here's where the weakness creeps in. The complexity of these projects is staggering. Most people buying crypto don't understand machine learning, neural networks, or decentralized data layers. They see a chart moving up or down, and they trade. This disconnect between sophisticated technology and everyday investor psychology often limits adoption. And when hype cools, many of these tokens lose their momentum, even if the underlying work continues. Now, compare that with meme coins. Their greatest strength is simplicity. No technical jargon, no complicated use case. Shiba Inu was branded as the Doge killer, and that phrase alone created millions of believers. Floki Inu, Pepe coin, and countless others follow the same playbook. Easy to understand, instantly shareable, and turbocharged by internet culture. They are built for virality. They are designed to travel fast across Twitter, Reddit, and TikTok. And in a world where attention is currency, they thrive. Yet their weaknesses are just as obvious. Most meme coins have no roadmap, no development, and no intrinsic function. They rise because communities unite around them, but they can fall overnight when sentiment flips. Rug pulls, scams, and abandoned projects are rampant in the meme coin space. Investors chasing a quick 100x often end up holding worthless tokens after insiders dump their bags. It's the ultimate gamble, but it's also what keeps people coming back. Think about it this way. AI coins try to appeal to logic. Meme coins appeal to emotion. And in financial markets, emotion often dictates the pace of growth. A rational investor may put money into a long-term AI ecosystem, but a crowd of emotional traders can make a meme coin skyrocket in days. The danger is obvious, but so is the allure. Some analysts argue that AI tokens are safer long-term, but safety is rarely the driving force in crypto bull markets. Speed, hype, and momentum are. That's why Dogecoin, despite being technically inferior, sits on the top list by market cap. That's why Pepe coin had explosive rallies within weeks of launching. Their weakness in fundamentals paradoxically becomes their strength in speculation. And here's the paradox: investors can't ignore. The more advanced a technology is, the slower it tends to spread in crypto markets. Meanwhile, the more absurd and meme-driven a token is, the faster it can attract users and liquidity. It's not fair, it's not logical, but it's reality. Share your thoughts in the comments. Your perspective matters. Do you believe logic should win in the end, or do you think the crowd's emotion will always dictate the biggest winners? As we move deeper into this comparison, remember, the strongest asset in crypto is not code, nor community, nor even hype. It's belief. Belief transforms numbers on a screen into something people value, and belief can turn a meme into a movement, or a piece of cutting-edge AI into the backbone of the digital future. The only question is which belief system will dominate when the next bull run arrives. Adoption is where the story of AI coins and meme coins takes an intriguing twist. While meme coins dominate headlines and social media, AI coins quietly build bridges into industries beyond crypto. Take Singularity Net, for example. It has partnered with research groups in healthcare and robotics, exploring ways to decentralize access to artificial intelligence. Ocean Protocol has been linked to projects that aim to unlock data sharing for industries like pharmaceuticals, where securely accessing and monetizing research data could change the pace of innovation. Fetch.AI has even collaborated with transportation initiatives, experimenting with autonomous cars and smart cities powered by decentralized AI agents. These are not just speculative dreams. They are attempts to merge blockchain with real-world use cases. If successful, AI coins could become indispensable infrastructure in a digital economy. That potential gives them a kind of staying power that meme coins struggle to match. When industries adopt a technology, they rarely abandon it overnight. This provides a foundation of utility that could help AI tokens survive long after market hype cools. Now contrast this with meme coins. Their adoption doesn't come from corporations or institutions. It comes from communities. Millions of small holders, online influencers and celebrities give them cultural weight. Elon Musk tweeting about Dogecoin turned a meme into a mainstream headline. Shiba Inu built such a massive following that it launched its own decentralized exchange and even toyed with entering metaverse development. Meme coins grow by creating movements, not infrastructure. Their strength is social adoption, which can be just as powerful as technological adoption, though far less predictable. This raises an important question. What kind of adoption matters more? The slow and steady integration of AI coins into industries, or the explosive, community-driven adoption of meme coins in mass culture? Each has its own momentum, and in crypto, both can create incredible wealth. Looking to the future, AI coins seem aligned with global trends. Governments and corporations are investing billions into artificial intelligence. If blockchain becomes part of that ecosystem, the demand for tokens tied to data, automation, and decentralized AI could skyrocket. On the other hand, meme coins thrive in bull markets precisely because of their chaotic energy. They feed off excitement, humor, and community growth, often creating viral storms that rational investors can't ignore. So which is more likely to explode? The token with the backing of industry megatrends, or the token powered by memes, jokes, and unpredictable internet culture? The truth may lie in how each adapts during the next bull run. Markets evolve, and what once seemed like pure speculation sometimes finds surprising paths to legitimacy. Dogecoin was once ridiculed, yet it's now accepted for payments at some merchants. Shiba Inu is building its own ecosystem. And who's to say Pepe coin won't spawn its own unexpected use case? Subscribe to stay updated on future deep dives, because understanding how these adoption stories unfold will be crucial for anyone watching the next wave of crypto growth. The future of AI coins looks logical, while the future of meme coins looks chaotic. But here's the twist. Chaos can be incredibly profitable, and logic doesn't always guarantee returns. The next bull run might not choose based on fundamentals or fun. It might choose based on something else entirely. And that thought should keep any investor curious, cautious, and maybe even a little restless. Every opportunity in crypto comes with risk, and AI coins and meme coins are no exception. For AI coins, the risks revolve around complexity and competition. These projects are trying to solve incredibly difficult problems. Decentralizing data markets or building networks of artificial intelligence is not just ambitious, it's also resource-intensive and slow. If they fail to deliver tangible products that industries actually adopt, the market could lose patience. There's also the looming threat of regulation. Governments are already concerned about both crypto and artificial intelligence. Put the two together, and AI tokens could face extra scrutiny in the years ahead. Meme coins, by contrast, carry risks of a very different nature. Their biggest threat is volatility. Communities can abandon a project overnight, turning billion-dollar valuations into ghost towns within weeks. Scams and rug pulls are rampant, and for every Dogecoin or Shiba Inu success story, there are thousands of tokens that disappear without a trace. Even the biggest meme coins rely heavily on sentiment. A shift in online culture, or a new trend emerging, could drain attention and value almost instantly. But with great risk often comes great opportunity. AI coins are positioned to ride one of the biggest technological revolutions of our time. If blockchain and AI successfully merge, the value creation could be enormous. Meme coins, on the other hand, offer opportunities precisely because of their unpredictability. They can transform small investments into life-changing sums if caught at the right moment. For some investors, that lottery ticket quality is irresistible. This leaves us with a fascinating paradox. AI coins represent logic, innovation, and long-term potential. Meme coins represent chaos, emotion, and the raw power of community. Both paths can lead to massive gains. Both paths can also lead to devastating losses. And maybe that's the real lesson here. In crypto, the biggest explosions happen at the intersection of belief and timing, not necessarily fundamentals or fun alone. As you reflect on this comparison, ask yourself, what drives your decisions more, logic or emotion? Are you drawn to the slow, calculated growth of technology or the wild, unpredictable energy of internet culture? Neither answer is wrong, because in the world of crypto, both have proven they can change lives. If this deep dive sparked new thoughts for you, subscribe to Wealth Unlocked, hit the like button, and share your perspective in the comments. Your voice matters. And together we're rebuilding a community of people who think beyond the surface when it comes to money and the future of finance. Because at the end of the day, whether it's AI coins or meme coins that explode in the next bull run, one thing is certain: the future belongs to those who stay curious, stay cautious, and never stop learning.